Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kadosh v'tzos l'nei shel Shabbos,
Hanukkah.
l'nei shel Chanukah.
Right. Okay. Now we're going to do another one.
What's this one?
This one's for Shabbos.
The Shabbos.
Right. Baruch atah Adonai.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kadosh v'tzos l'nei shel Shabbos.
Okay. Good Shabbos, Mother.
Good Shabbos.
And happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you. My birthday?
It's in about a week.
Oh,
But we'll start celebrating now. We got all these candles for your birthday.
okay.
And we don't want to start a fire.
And a
Okay, now we have to
brisket.
go.
And a brisket.
And a brisket. And we have a brisket too.
Oh, brisket.
Yes. And now we could do dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. I made it out of clay. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. And now we will play dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. Okay, time for the brisket.